You cannot change what people think about you, but when God sets you free, I'm going to tell you something. You will walk in freedom and you will realize that most people are going to stop projecting back on you what you have inside of you. When God sets you free, follow those who follow Jesus. If the devil cannot destroy you with sin, he will distract you with friends. Donkey gets loosed, but Jesus didn't say, hey guys, find the donkey and let the donkey roam free. He says, no, find the donkey and bring that donkey to me. Loosing the donkey is the first step of freedom. When you acknowledge what you're bound with, Jesus can set you free. If you keep blaming it on other people, God cannot set you free. But after you are loosed, this is the biggest mistake that people make when they get free, is they think they are free to do what they want instead of free to do what they ought. Because if you see a donkey roaming around a street, this donkey is not free. It's a target. Real freedom is not when you no longer have chains. It's when you are fully surrendered to Jesus.